Hi there, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
In this video, we'll answer a question we get from many of our clients. When will collection calls stop after I file a consumer proposal?
If you want more information about bankruptcy and consumer proposals in Toronto, check out the other videos on our channel and click the subscribe button below to get notified when we post new videos.
If you're worried about your debts, collection calls from creditors can be annoying, but they're also troubling and stressful. The good news is, once you file for bankruptcy or file for a consumer proposal with a licensed insolvency trustee like Sklar Associates, the call should stop.
Your creditors are notified by your trustee within 5 days of filing your proposal. Upon receipt of notification, the call should stop.
Once you file for bankruptcy or proposal, collection agencies and creditors will not be able to continue or start any collection action. All communications will be dealt with through your bankruptcy or proposal, and all creditors will be required to follow the appropriate steps.
If you filed the proposal and are still getting calls, let the caller know you filed. They may not have received the notice yet. You can let your trustee know you're still receiving calls from the creditors so they can make sure the notice has been sent and follow up if necessary.
If you're getting calls from creditors or you have debt that you are not able to deal with, contact our office today. Making the first call or going to the first meeting is the hardest part for most of our clients. Come into Sklar Associates for a free consultation and our team will walk you through your options.
You can also leave questions about consumer proposals in the comments below, or let us know if you want a topic covered in a future video.
For more info, check out the show notes below and click subscribe to get notified right away when we post new videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals.